Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm very excited because I'm going to be doing my very first Q&A video with all of the questions that you guys gave to me on one of my previous videos. So if you're interested to see if I'm going to be answering any of your questions, then keep on watching. Okay, so I have about 20-ish questions here, and I split them up wedding related and then like channel and like lifestyle related. So I'll start with the wedding related ones. There was a few like duplicate questions, so I kind of started with those first. So, sorry, I keep looking to make sure my camera is recording. Very first question is, when is your wedding date? So I'm actually getting married on December 1st. I always wanted to do like a fall kind of, well, I say always, I literally never thought about anything wedding related until I got engaged, and then it was like bam, 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 this is what I want. So I wanted like a fall kind of wedding, but it was very hard to, if we wanted to get married within a year, find a date or a venue that would do something like that. So we ended up getting December 1st, which I guess is more winter, but I don't think there will actually be snow yet at that time, but I'm kind of hoping it's like the worst winter we've ever had because it would just be very pretty. How did you and your fiance meet? So we met through friends at college. So I had actually met him one time before, but we barely even crossed paths. I graduated, he still had another year, and I would go back to school to visit my friends. They were friends with him, and that's kind of how we met. We met at a party that he had, and we ended up talking all night, and from that day since, for the last like 5.5, 6 years, the rest is history. How long have you been together? So I kind of just answered that. It's actually kind of ironic because December 1st is the first day we ever met. He proposed on November 30th, 5 years later, so almost the exact same day, and then we're actually getting married on December 1st, so exactly 6 years later to the day that we met. How are you doing it all yourself, or does your fiance help make decisions? So I think this is like wedding related. So we are planning our wedding all of ourselves, and yes, he does help make decisions. I would be lying if I didn't say that I kind of tried to steer some of his decisions the way I want something to go, but he's very like open with it. There's very few things that he was very like set on. And he was very good with like kind of letting me do my thing, because I think the guys kind of realize, like, when we have a vision, we want that vision. So he does help, of course, but yeah, we are planning it all ourselves. We don't have like a wedding planner or anything like that. Are you going on a honeymoon, and if so, where? So we are going to be doing a honeymoon. As far as where, we don't know yet. So we have not actually booked one yet. So we were thinking it would be an amazing time to do like a Europe trip. I've always wanted to go to Greece. Matt is Italian, so it'd be amazing to be able to go to Italy. However, to go in December is not like an ideal time. So I think what we're going to do is go down south for like a week or so, have our honeymoon there, and then the following summer, obviously it's expensive, so we'll have to make sure that we are saving up. We'll probably, hopefully anyway, do like a Europe trip where we're gone for like 10 days or so. What kind of ring did your fiance propose with? So I guess I should have looked this up. I don't know like names of rings. Like, I don't know. I know like a solitaire is 1 diamond. So I don't know how well you guys can see this. This is my ring. There is the main diamond in the center, and then there's 3 little diamonds on either side, and then the band has little tiny ones. Not all the way around, but partially around. So I did in one of the videos / slideshows that I posted, which is kind of what we put together to show my parents. There is actually a picture, a bit more of a close-up. It's very hard to capture because of all of the light reflecting off of it, but you can kind of get a better idea of the ring there. As far as the name, I don't know. He got it from Spence Diamonds. What dress did you pick for your wedding? So I'm assuming that Matt is not going to watch all of this. He supports me, but I don't think he watches all of my videos, and I don't think he would look it up. So Matt does not want to know anything about my dress at all, which I love and appreciate that. I think that's very sweet, and I think, you know, we're kind of old-fashioned in the sense that we want it to be a surprise. But I will tell you guys, it is it's a Pronovius, so that's the designer. Sorry, I gotta make sure I'm recording. It's a Pronovius dress, and the dress is called Amore, or Amore. I will be making some small adjustments to the dress. I guess I can't really say too much because it might give some away in case he is watching, but There's some minor things that are going to be changed, but you guys will see. So we actually are getting a video done, so our wedding will be filmed, and I am excited to post that on my channel, so you will see the dress, the whole look, and you'll see basically our whole wedding on a video. I just will have to fool around with the songs, because for copyright issues I cannot keep the songs that we're going to be using when I actually post it. So unfortunately it might take away a little bit. I'll try really hard to find some good ones to still flow nicely, but you guys will get to see that. Ever consider getting married in a dress that is not white? And if your answer is yes, what color? I never really thought about that. I kind of like the whole traditional white thing, but I also have nothing against other colors. So I think it's Indian weddings, I believe, you wear red, which I think is stunning. I wish I was more cultural. I love Indian weddings. The whole attire is so pretty. I feel like we are very, you know, plain. Their weddings are absolutely stunning. I have seen on like Say Yes to Dress people doing black. So black is like my favorite color to wear. I'm not totally against other people wearing black, but I just feel like, I don't know, it's not like wedding-y. I feel like you could wear a black dress anytime, and I don't know. I think I would just stick, well, I mean, I am sticking to white, but I think, you know, if it was a little, I think I would always stick to white. Just my personal opinion. So that kind of wraps up the wedding portion. Again, if you guys have more questions, feel free to keep asking. Like I said, I am, or did I say that in this video? I don't know. I filmed like 3 videos today. I am documenting all your questions and putting them into like a little file that I have so that I can do more Q&As in the future. So if you guys want to ask more in these comments or in any videos, if I don't address it right then and there in the comment section, I will address it in an upcoming video. So moving on to the more makeup related, channel related questions. Has your makeup habits style changed in the last year? I would say yes and no. So I don't wear as many like bold looks. I haven't been wearing as many crazy eyeshadow looks. But other than that, I mean, my makeup style wasn't very like unique, I guess, to begin with. So I don't know how much I can say that it's changed, other than, you know, I haven't been doing like, this is kind of like the most eyeshadow I've been wearing in like a while. So I guess, I don't know, does that answer the question? What new makeup releases are you most excited about? I don't know. I don't know what releases are coming out. So when I took a break from my channel, I kind of took a break in general. I honestly haven't been following. I don't even know what's coming out when. I don't know. I haven't been fooling around with makeup as much either. So actually I got a palette from a friend for Christmas. So think about how long ago that was. One second. One of my best friends, Cole, we did a Secret Santa, and he was so sweet because I'm like one of the people who wear like the most makeup in the friend group. He actually went to Sephora, and for my Secret Santa he got me this Easy on the Eyes palette. And I feel really bad. I literally just took this plastic out. I have not even touched this yet. And there's not really a reason why. I just like, I think because I haven't been sitting behind the camera filming, I haven't been motivated as much to just like fool around with stuff. If you guys do want to see a tutorial, oh my god, I have hair on it, or like a video based on this palette, let me know, because I really do want to try it out. I just haven't. So yeah, sorry, I know that's not the best answer for that question. I just like, if I'm being honest, I really don't know. I have not been fooling, like paying attention too much for new products. I think sort of related to the video that I posted when my like coming back video, there's so many products all the time, it's hard to keep up with. So I almost am like not really interested right now in just like purchasing new products. I'm very happy with the stuff that I have. Not to say that I will not like at any time in the near future at all buy anything new, but I don't have any new release right now that I'm like excited about. What are you hoping for the holidays as far as makeup is concerned? I have no idea. So this kind of relates to the other question. I don't really know. I guess like I have some products that I'm running low on that I'll need to stock up on, but I'm sorry guys. Now I feel like I'm like failing this whole like beauty channel thing, but I don't know what is coming for the holidays. I don't know what I'm excited for. Yeah, I think one thing that I'm trying to do now that I'm like back filming, I was so focused on trying to fit into like a slot here on YouTube. So I was very focused on like beauty, just because that's majority of the videos that I like to watch are like surrounding beauty in some way. But I feel like I want to really branch out. So I want to do a little bit more vlog style videos, or just like talk about more lifestyle related things, because I found when I was filming, some of it, it's not that it was forced, but it was a little bit hard to, like, I felt like I always had to come up with a new dramatic look. But then again, tutorials aren't even really like that popular anymore. So I just found I'm so focused on like new products, or hauls, or like, I don't know, I want to be a little bit more real, a little bit more comfortable. So as far as like beauty related, of course I'm still going to be having a lot of that featured on my channel, but just so you guys know, I am going to be branching out a little bit more, and hopefully you guys like that. Have you come across any makeup or skincare gems while you've been away? And if so, what are the best finds? So I did just film, I'm not sure if it'll go up before or after this, a current makeup favorites video, where some of the products are similar products you would have already seen me use from a year ago, and they're still my favorite. There's a few products I featured in there that are new to me anyway, that I'm currently loving, so you'll see those products in that video. As far as skincare, I kind of want to leave this question a little bit because I want to film some skincare videos for you guys separately. So I want to do a specific current skincare routine video with those products, and I also want to do like a Body Shop skincare product video because I have so many Body Shop products that I've done because of hauls I filmed for you guys, but I never really provided much of an update. This question is, where do you hope to see your channel in the next year? So I'm hoping that I can reach like 3,000 to 5,000 subscribers. That would be amazing. Obviously I could say like 20,000 subscribers, but I just don't know how realistic that is. I think that would be awesome. If I can just keep providing content that I think is good quality, which I'm working on, then that would kind of be my main goal, and obviously to have more of like a relationship with my subscribers. So keeping up in the comment section, doing Q&As and answering things that you guys are interested in. And yeah, I think that would be my goal for this as a hobby and not like a full-time. What are you planning on doing with your content now that you're back? Makeup reviews, wedding stuff, get ready with me's, are you going in another direction? So I think I may have just kind of recently touched on this. I love this question. I'm kind of going to be doing all of that. So as far as a new direction in general, sort of. So I'm not strictly going to be focusing on like makeup products and beauty products. I do want to reach a little bit more of like a wider audience and just touch on things that I'm interested in, more lifestyle related. So like healthy living, recipes, home decor, and like things around my home. I don't know. I want to widen what I've been filming. I think it'll keep me more engaged and hopefully you guys more engaged, because I think it can get a little bit, I don't want to say boring, but there's nothing like super exciting when I just sit down and it's another get ready with me. So yes, I will also be doing any wedding related stuff, which hopefully you guys don't find too annoying or boring, because it's nice that I can kind of vent and rant to you guys so that I'm not, you know, totally like making my friends rip their hair out and being sick of hearing me talk about it. And the last question is, what is your dream job? This is really hard because I don't know. I've never known. Even what I do now for a living, like my full-time job, my Monday to Friday job, is not my dream job, but I'm happy doing it. I don't know what my dream job is. I don't even know if it would be, I don't know. I am feeling like this is like not going so well. I don't know what my dream job would be. Anything that keeps me feeling fulfilled, happy, and don't get me wrong, I know that jobs aren't always going to be super happy and like super easy. There's going to be stressful times, but yeah, as far as at this point in time, I could not tell you. I'm sorry, I just couldn't. I don't know. I'm content with my job right now. There's a lot of opportunity to grow and kind of like advance, which is very important to me. I don't like the idea of just being stuck somewhere. If that was the case, I would leave and find a different job. So yeah, hopefully that answered your guys' questions. Some of them I know I didn't touch on directly in this video, but they will be addressed in upcoming videos. So thank you for participating in my very first Q&A. I look forward to doing many of these in the future. And again, keep commenting down below, ask more questions, and I'll be filming more for you guys once I reach, you know, like the 20, 30 question mark. So thank you guys as always for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.